Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to practice your listening skills on the ELSA Speak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this third icon down below and then tap on the listening button at the top in the game type section. Select filters if you want to. You can select the level and the skills. Then click on the done button and tap on the start icon down below.
She.
Now the exercise is to select the phrase that matches what you hear. If you want to re-listen, tap on the speaker button.
She.
If you want to hear it slower, tap on this other icon.
She.
And tap on the relevant one that you think is the correct answer. Then click on the check button. As you can see, it is correct, so your answer is correct. If you want to proceed, tap on the continue button.
Show. So.
Now you need to select the audio that matches the phrase that you can see here at the top. After finding it, tap on the check icon. So that's how you can proceed with this exercise. If you want to quit for some or any reasons, tap on this X icon in the upper left corner, then click on the yes button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.